Thank you for tuning into this video. Today, I'll be teaching you how to start a meeting in Google Meet using Google Calendar, Gmail, and in the Google Meet app. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we publish more videos. Don't forget to like the video. It lets YouTube know that content like ours is valuable to others. So, let's get started. Open Google Calendar on your computer or phone and tap the plus sign icon to create a new event. To add Google Meet video conferencing, Google will generate a meeting link for you that you can copy and then send to your participants. Then tap Save to make the meeting. There are two ways to use Gmail to schedule a Meet call. Open Gmail on your computer and click Meet in the left sidebar, and then New Meeting. A pop-up will appear with a link to a meeting that you can share. Or you can open the Gmail app on your phone and tap the Meet icon in the bottom right corner. On the page that opens, tap New Meeting. You can then start a meeting right away or schedule one using Google Calendar. Open Google Meet on your computer or phone and select New Meeting. Select Start an Instant Meeting or Get Joining Info to share if you want to start a meeting right away. Select Schedule in Google Calendar to make a meeting for the future. Copy the link and send it to your participants. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If this video has helped you, remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. If you have any questions, write it down below in the comment section.